Here's how to trade crypto in KuCoin step by step. First, open the KuCoin app or visit KuCoin.com and log into your account. If you don't have crypto yet, tap Buy Crypto to purchase with a credit card or bank transfer. Once your funds are available, go to the menu and tap on Trade, and then tap on Spot Trading. From here, find the pair you want, for example, BTC/USDT. On the trade screen, choose between limit market or stop limit order types. Use market for instant trades. Use limit to set your own buy and sell price. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell and tap Buy or Sell. Your order will execute immediately if market, or wait to fill if limit. You can view your active and past order under the Orders tab. It will pop up on here once you buy or sell a certain amount. And that's how you trade crypto on KuCoin. Fast, flexible, and full of features for every level of trader. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.